Hi, this is Alex with Northeast Factory Direct, and I cannot believe it's been 20 years since our humble beginnings out of a small garage in Lakewood where we started with one dining room set. I was just thinking back to when it was just me, a cell phone and a pickup truck, and I would meet folks and show them this beautiful 18th century cherry dining room set, and them being so elated with the price and loading it up in my pickup truck and driving it over to their home and setting it up for them, and just thinking, wow, we're really onto something here. And before you knew it, we had outgrown that garage and moved into a storage unit and added things like bedroom sets and mattresses, and before you know it, I had a whole row of storage units. And then we moved into an old auto body shop, and now we're in 3 big warehouses, which are essentially just bigger garages, and we've kept that same model that we had from back then, just on a larger scale. And so it's been 20 years, and we thought, boy, we should celebrate this somehow. We typically don't have any gimmicks or sales or anniversaries or anything like that, but we thought, what could we do? It's been 20 years. We're really proud of that. And, as an appreciation to our customers, what better way to celebrate than to have a garage sale event? So all month long, we're going to be having some special pricing on certain items that are even better priced than our already low prices, just to show our appreciation to our customers. And this weekend, we're going to be doing it here at our Macedonia location. So for any more information, you can go to our website, which is northeastfactorydirect.com.